guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going into Walgreens to show you guys the last minute deals that I'm going to do for the week. Now I do have two $5 register rewards that I received from my last transaction, and I have about 17 to 16,000 points. So I'm going to go inside. I'm going to do a couple of deals. I do have my coupons ready for this, and I'm going to do the math with you guys in store, calculating tax and everything and how much I'll pay out of pocket. Hopefully everything works out well because I am using register rewards and I do have a digital coupon. So hopefully the digital coupon comes out with no issues. So let's go inside and see the deals. Now on one of my cards is another account. I do have a buy something for $1. I get 5,000 points. Let's see how that works out. After I receive those 5,000 points, if I receive them, I will be doing the Crest deal on that card, and then I'll move over to my main account and do this haul. So let's go inside. Let's see what I find. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do for that spend $1, get 5,000 points, I'm going to pick this up from Wet n Wild. It's an eyebrow brush for $1.19. So I'm going to ring to the register and let's see what happens, and let's see if I get those 5,000 points. Okay guys, so here goes my receipt. $1.19 I paid for the brow brush and I got back the 5,000 points. So opening balance 0, I have nothing on this card. So now I'm at 5200. So the next thing I'm going to do is this Crest deal here. Now they don't have the mouthwash because I need it for my other transactions, so there's only one in store. But I'm going to pick up the toothpaste and the toothbrushes, and these are on sale this week for $2.99. And when you buy 3 this week, I believe it's 3, the sign is right here. When you buy 3 this week, you get a $4 register reward. So I'm going to pick up 3 of these right here. Right, the total works out to $8.97. I have a 3 off of 2 on my app and a $2 off of the toothpaste. So it works out to $3.97, and I get back a $4 register reward. So it's going to be free after register rewards. Okay guys, so everything worked out super well with that transaction. There goes the Crest and the Oral-B toothbrushes priced at $2.99. I used that 3 off of 2 digital coupon, as well as a $2 off came out for the Oral-B toothbrushes. The subtotal was $3.97. I had a tax of 63 cents, making it $4.60. And I used 4,000 points, so I paid 60 cents for this, and I got back the $4 in register rewards. So that is a super good deal if you guys have those digital coupons. So there goes the $4 in register rewards I got back from that transaction. Okay guys, so for this next transaction, I'm going to use this in-ad coupon for spend 25. You get a $5 register reward. So remember guys, you have to spend $25 before coupons to get that $5 in register reward. So you scan all your items, then you scan this coupon, and it should print out at the Catalina machine. So first thing I'm going to do is the Pantene. Okay guys, so the next deal is going to be on the Pantene shampoo and conditioner. These are on sale this week for $3.99. This is an old sign here, or it's, I don't know, a different promotion, but they're supposed to be on sale for $3.99. And when you buy 3 this week, you get a $3 register reward. So you're going to pick up 3 of them for $3.99 each, paying $11.97. You're going to use this 5 off of 3 coupon that we got in our March P&G. The total works out to $6.97, but you get back that $3 in register rewards. So it works out to $3.97 for all of them, or $1.32 each. Okay guys, so remember, it has to be $25 before coupon. So far we have $3.99 items, 3 Pantene at $3.99. So I'm going to do the math with you guys, calculating tax and everything. So far this is the Pantene, and this is buy 3, get a $3 register reward. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is on the Colgate charcoal toothpaste. These are buy 2 this week, you get a $4 register reward, and they're on sale for $4.99. So I'm going to pick up 2 of them for $9.98. I'm going to use the $2 off digital coupon that we have in our app, and I'm also going to use this $1 off coupon that we got in our 223 Smart Source. So the total works out to $6.98, but you're going to get back a $4 register reward. So it works out to $2.98 for both of them, or $1.49 each. Okay guys, so the next items we're going to write are going to be the Colgate. So these are $4.99, and I can't write it here, like $4.99. So there goes that, and these are going to be the Colgates. And these are buy 2, get a $4 register reward. Okay guys, so we're going to do this deal right here once again, and this is going to be on a different account. So again, these are buy three, you get a $4 register reward, and they're on sale for $2.99. So I'm going to pick up 2 of the toothpaste for $2.99, and I'm going to use 2 of the $2 off 1 coupons from our March P&G, and then I'm going to pick up the Crest with Scope. Okay, so here goes the Crest with Scope for $2.99. This is going to be the third item, and then we're going to get that $4 in register rewards. I'm using this dollar off coupon from our March P&G for this, and this is going to be the 16.9 ounce. That's the one that is on sale. So after all the coupons, the total works out to $3.97, but you're going to get back a $4 register reward. So it works out to be free after the register reward. So I'm going to grab this one right here. Okay guys, so let's recap everything that we got so far. This is everything I'm picking up for this transaction. So we have the Pantene right here. When you buy 3 this week, you get a $3 register reward, and they're on sale this week for $3.99 each. I'm using that $5 off 3 coupon. So in my notebook, I have that written down, $3.99 for 3 of them. Buy 3, get a $3 register reward. Then the next item I'm going to pick up is the Colgate, and this is going to be the charcoal. There's a $1 off coupon. These are on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 2 this week, you get a $4 register reward. We also have a $2 digital coupon, so make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping. So there goes the $4.99 items right there. And then the last deal I'm going to do is on the Crest with Scope, as well as the Crest toothpaste. These are on sale this week. Buy 3, get a $4 register reward, and they're on sale for $2.99. So I'm going to use 2 coupons for the toothpaste from our March P&G, and then I'm going to use a $1 off coupon right here for the Crest with Scope. So this is everything I'm picking up. I'm going to use 2 $5 register rewards, so I have an item to attach to each of them, so I do not need another item in order to use these manufacturer's coupons, because remember guys, our register rewards are manufacturer's coupons, and they have to attach to an item. So I have a coupon for this already in the app, and everything else attaches to a coupon. So hopefully everything works out well, because sometimes using register rewards and then trying to use a digital coupon sometimes doesn't work, but let's see what happens. So our total is going to be $30.92. So we needed to spend $25 in order to get this $5 register reward. We're way over the $25 mark for this. Now I'm going to deduct all the coupons, and let's see what happens at the end. Okay guys, so our total is going to be $30.92 for all the items in the cart right here, right? And then I add my tax, which is $2.16, because I'm taxed at 7% and I'm taxed before coupons. So I know my total is going to be $33.08, right? So we're going to deduct all the manufacturer coupons. We have that 5 off for 3 for Pantene, that $1 off for Colgate, that $2 off digital coupon for Colgate, the $2 off for the Crest with Scope. We had 2 of those for the toothpaste, and then 1 for the Crest with Scope. And I have 2 $5 register rewards that I have attached to an item. 2 items, so the total works out to $10.08. I'm going to roll 10,000 points into this, making the total 8 cents out of pocket, but I'm going to get back a $3 register reward for the Pantene, a $4 register reward for the Colgate, and a $4 register reward for the Crest. So fingers crossed that everything works out well and this $2 off digital coupon comes out. So I'm going to show you guys my receipt at the end, see if everything works out. So let's go to the register. Okay guys, so I'm back from Walgreens, and as you guys saw in my last transaction, everything didn't work out the way planned, because you take a gamble when you're using register rewards and trying to use a digital coupon as well. But the manager was nice enough to give me the 2,000 points for that $2 digital coupon for the Colgate. So now let's recap everything. First transaction, I actually used a different card, and I picked up this Wet n Wild brow brush really quickly, because I had a coupon there. When you buy something for $1, you get 5,000 points. So I just picked up this. I paid $1.19, actually like $1.26 or something like that, and I got back those 5,000 points. So with those 5,000 points, I went and did the Crest deal. Now at that store, they only had 1 of the mouthwashes, and I wanted it for my 3rd transaction, but we do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon for the Crest toothpaste as well as the Oral-B toothbrushes, and then we have a $2 off for the Oral-B toothbrushes and a $2 off for the Crest toothpaste. So basically just work your deal according to what your store has. You can still work out a good deal. It'll come out to $3.97, and you'll get back a $4 register reward. So for that purchase right there, I received that $4 in register rewards for that. And now moving on to my 3rd transaction. So the 3rd transaction, as you guys saw, I calculated everything, and it didn't work out as planned because I decided to use register rewards and a digital coupon in the same transaction. So like I said, you take a gamble when you do that. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I personally thought it wasn't gonna work from jump. So I end up paying $2.08. I was only supposed to pay 8 cents, but she did distribute the 2,000 points to me because the manager was nice enough to do so. Okay, so let's go over everything I bought. So I picked up 3 of the Pantene right here. 3 Pantene products, right? These are buy 3, get a $3 register reward, and they're on sale for $3.99. I picked up 2 of the Colgate for $4.99, and when you buy 2 this week, you get a $4 register reward. So I picked up those 2 right there. And then as far as the Crest products, I picked up, they're on sale for $2.99. I picked up 2 of the toothpaste and 1 mouthwash. So here goes the mouthwash right there. Sorry about the glare, guys, but it's super sunny over here. And there goes the 2 Crest 3D right there. Okay, so those were priced at $2.99. When you buy 3 this week, you get a $4 register reward. So the total for everything is going to be $30.92. I calculated my tax into this, which was $2.16. My tax is 7%, and I get taxed before coupons. So $2.16, making the total $33.08. I use that 5 off of 3 coupon for the Pantene, that $1 off for the Colgate. The $2 off digital coupon for the Colgate did not come off, so I ended up paying $2.08 at the end. I had $2 off for the Crest, another $2 off for the Crest, a $1 off for the Crest with Scope, and I had 2 $5 register rewards. So again, when you use register rewards and you're trying to use a digital coupon, those register rewards were attached to the item that you want to take that digital coupon off of. So I used 2 $5 register rewards that I got back this week from my last haul, making the total $10.08. And I rolled 10,000 points into this. It made my total $2.08 because that $2 off did not come off. So my total was $12.08, right? I used the 10,000 in points, paid $2.08, and got back the $3 register reward for the Pantene. So I'm going to show you all the register rewards that I got back. Okay, so here goes the $3 register reward for the Pantene. And then I got the $4 register reward back for the Crest deal, and a $4 register reward for the Colgate deal. So here goes the one for the Crest deal right here. Sorry for the glare, guys. And then here goes the $4 for the Colgate deal right here, right? And then I got back that $5 register reward, which is a store coupon for the spend $25, get $5 back. So there goes that right there. So I got back a total of $11, $12, $13, $14, $15, $16 for next week. And I also have that $4 in register rewards, and I have a $5 for doing the Almay deal again. So I have a couple of register rewards for next week, especially we're going to have that beauty event deal. So make sure you have some register rewards. Turn those points into register rewards because it's going to lower your out-of-pocket at the end. And the beauty event deal is spend $25, get 7,000 points. You have to get the beauty flyer from your beauty counter at your Walgreens. So if your store has a beauty counter, they should have that spend $25, get 7,000 points. That's next week, Thursday it starts, and it goes on for 4 days, I believe. And also, we usually get the digital ones. Some of us get it, some of us don't. I don't know what you need to do to get that, but some of us get it and some of us don't. So you can double dip with those 2 coupons together. So when you spend $25, you get 14,000 points. So I'm going to show you guys my last receipt, and I'll re-show you guys these register rewards that I got because the glare was just crazy. So let me show you guys my receipts. Okay, guys, so there goes the Pantene products on sale, $3.99. And when you buy 3 this week, you get a $3 register reward. There goes the Crest with Scope, as well as the Crest toothpaste. And there goes the Colgate Essential Charcoal Toothpaste, 4.6 ounce, on sale for $4.99. There goes that spend $25, get that $5 register reward in add coupon. And remember, my subtotal was $30, so I went way over the $25 mark in order to get that. Here goes the 5 off of 3 for the Pantene. That was the coupon for Pantene. The Colgate Essential, so that's going to be the charcoal toothpaste. It took off $1. The Crest 3D toothpaste took off $1, and it was actually for the Scope that it was for $1, but it's the way Walgreens just rings up their coupons. And then there goes $2 there. $2 here. I used 2 $5 register rewards, making my subtotal $9.92. I had a tax of $2.16, making my total $12.08. It was supposed to be $10.08, but that $2 off for the Colgate did not come off from the app. I used 10,000 points to pay for this. My total to pay was $2.08. I didn't get back any points for this, but I did redeem 10,000 points. And there goes the 2,000 points that she gave me back in my account. So I was super excited that she gave me that, and now I didn't have to call customer service. So now with points, I'm ending with 8,341 points. So I'll have that and then all the register rewards for next week. So this is what I have so far in register rewards. I have that $3 off, and that was for the Pantene. I have a $4 off. This is going to be for the Crest deal. There goes that $5 register reward, and it is a store coupon. So basically, you know how we attach register rewards to an item? This does not have to be attached to an item because it's a store coupon. So if we were to do the beauty deal, spend $25, right? Get 7,000 points, we'll actually have to spend $30 because this counts as a Walgreens coupon, just like our IVC booklet and our % off coupon. So you actually have to spend $30 in order to get the 7,000 points. Okay, there goes that $4 register reward for the Colgate. The $4 register reward for the Crest deal that I did in the second transaction. And then I had a $5 off from the ILMMWDL deal from this week. So that's all the register rewards that I'm going into next week with. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.